You find that the control panel of this machine is always stuck at the initial interface, and the buttons are invalid during use. At this time, you may need to replace a new control panel. Use masking paper to stick the small iron sheet. Remove the screws and take it out. Push the slide rail on the back of the front cover inward. Let the two lines of slide rails disengage from the hook. Then detach the mushroom head inside and push it to the right. Then push the slide rail inward. Follow the video to completely detach the cover. After removing these 4 screws, you can use a screwdriver to remove the keypad. Now we need to reinstall the front cover. First, pull out part of this slide rail. Then, put on the front cover. Slide it all the way to the left, and then slide it part way to the right. Finally, restore this small sheet metal and tighten the screws.